Once upon a time, in a small village nestled between rolling hills and lush green forests, there lived a young man named Ethan. From a very early age, Ethan harbored big dreams in his heart. He dreamed of success, of making a difference, and of leaving a mark on the world. But Ethan knew that dreams alone wouldn't pave his path. He needed hard work, dedication, and unwavering determination. Ethan's family was not wealthy, and opportunities in the village were scarce. But instead of letting his circumstances define him, Ethan decided to let his ambitions lead the way. Every morning, before the sun had even risen, Ethan would be up and about, tending to his family's modest farm. He worked tirelessly, tilling the soil, planting seeds, and nurturing the crops with love and care. But Ethan's aspirations extended far beyond the boundaries of his village. He yearned for knowledge, understanding that education was the key to unlocking the doors of opportunity. So after a long day's work on the farm, Ethan would retreat to a small corner of his humble home, where he would pore over books borrowed from the village library. He devoured every word, thirsting for knowledge like a traveler in the desert longs for water. As the years passed, Ethan's hard work began to bear fruit. His crops flourished, bringing prosperity to his family and earning him respect among his neighbors. But Ethan knew that true success lay beyond the confines of his village. So, armed with nothing but his dreams and determination, he set out into the world, leaving behind the familiar comforts of home in pursuit of something greater. The road ahead was fraught with challenges and obstacles, but Ethan refused to be deterred. He worked odd jobs to support himself, never losing sight of his ultimate goal. He faced setbacks and failures, but with each stumble, he rose stronger and more resilient than before. And then, one fateful day, Ethan's perseverance paid off. Through sheer grit and determination, he landed a job at a prestigious company in the city. His hard work, coupled with his insatiable thirst for knowledge, propelled him up the ranks, earning him accolades and admiration from his peers. But for Ethan, success was never just about climbing the corporate ladder or amassing wealth. It was about making a difference, about leaving the world a little better than he found it. And so, even as he scaled the heights of success, Ethan never forgot his roots. He gave back to his community, supporting local schools and initiatives aimed at empowering the next generation of dreamers. In the end, Ethan's story serves as a testament to the power of hard work, perseverance, and unwavering determination. It reminds us that no dream is too big, no goal too daunting, as long as we are willing to put in the effort and never lose sight of what truly matters. For Ethan, success was not just a destination, but a journey, one that he embarked upon with courage, conviction, and a steadfast belief in himself.